Silk'n ReVit, professional-grade microdermabrasion device filters. Replacement filters for ReVit, a convenient and affordable device. Uncover your skin's beauty with an at-home treatment to gently exfoliate, remove dead skin cells and stimulate your skin. Gently exfoliates and stimulates your skin, restores balance, improves skin tone. Skin should be clean dry before using. Begin with lower intensity. Treat area of skin with 2 to 4 passes. The days of covering up blemishes, age spots, fine lines and acne scars are over. Uncover your skin's true beauty with the Silk'n ReVit Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine. The Silk'n ReVit is a revolutionary tool that combines gentle microdermabrasion exfoliation with vacuum stimulation to reduce the appearance of blemishes and imperfections. ReVit uses gentle tip exfoliation to remove dead skin cells, leaving you with improved skin tone, texture and elasticity. You'll enjoy professional microdermabrasion results at a fraction of the cost. Top review from the United States. They work. These are simply refills for the Silk'n ReVit professional-grade microdermabrasion device. I have used the device for about 3 years and really like it. However, the small charcoal filters need to be replaced every so often, and these filters are an integral part of the effective dermabrasion process. If you use the device, get the refills, you're going to need them.